In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show news on your TradingView chart. TradingView is a popular tool among traders for chart analysis and monitoring market activities, and adding news to your chart can provide you with a more comprehensive view of market movements and potential future trends. So, let's dive right in and get set up. First, we need to head over to the TradingView website. Open up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other, and simply type TradingView into the search bar. Click on the first link and you'll be directed to the TradingView homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so using your details. Once you're logged in, you can access all the features TradingView has to offer. Next, you want to open your specific chart. To do this, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find the Chart tab. Clicking on this will bring up the charts you've previously been working with or allow you to start a new one. Take a moment to load your preferred chart, be it related to stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or another asset of your interest. Once your chart is open, we need to transition into the settings section. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a gear icon which stands for Settings. Give that a click. This action will open up a comprehensive menu that allows you to customize and tailor the appearance and features of your chart according to your needs. Within the Settings menu, look for the tab titled Events. This section is integral for integrating news with your chart. Once you're in the Events tab, ensure that the box next to Economic Event is checked. This small but crucial step will allow TradingView to display current news events relevant to the asset you're analyzing directly on your chart. These updates can be invaluable for keeping abreast of situations that could affect the market dynamics significantly. Should you ever wish not to see these events on your chart, you can always return to this setting and uncheck the box. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by hitting the OK button at the bottom of the menu. This ensures all your settings are applied and you can begin seeing news events reflected on your chart immediately. By following these steps, you'll have successfully integrated news into your TradingView chart, adding a dynamic edge to your market analysis toolkit. Stay informed, keep trading, and don't forget to explore other features TradingView offers to further enhance your trading strategy. Thank you for following along, and happy trading.